Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today to bring to you guys a unboxing of the Pixel 7 Pro in the hazel color. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I fund everything myself for an unbiased review. So if you appreciate that, all you have to do is super thanks, subscribe and watch more videos. Let's get this unboxing underway. So that's the Pixel. Anyways, that's basically the first setup. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And if you can afford to do a super thanks, that'll ensure that my work continues here. Thank you for watching. Take good care. Bye-bye.